TruAbrasives is 100% recycled crushed glass media. The new Houston facility is going to change our business just because it gives us added capacity.
Right now we currently run 2 shifts. We make 30 tons in a day. With our new lines here, we're going to make 100 tons per shift, 200 tons a day.
So this new facility gives us about 5 times more than what we produced out of the old facility. So that'll help our distributors as well as our end users, because a lot of people had thought glass was just a niche product.
TruAbrasives fits us because we do not promote the use of silica sand. It actually meets all the requirements for today for the dust that's out there for open air blasting. So if they're not blasting in a material and needing to recycle, TruAbrasives is what they're going to need to use.
Crushed glass, we use 47 today. It mixes well with our equipment, different types of abrasive that can go on the side of our equipment, but this meshes well with the water.
It's a very cost-effective method of blasting for us. It's also very eco-friendly as well, and the crushed glass is a good alternative than getting away from the traditional methods.
The new Houston facility will also provide automated bagging equipment, is one of the things that we're looking at, which will increase efficiencies to having more product readily available for distributors.
With the automated bagging system, we'll be able to do 50 pounds and 100-pound bags. We'll also be able to bulk load from our silos. We used to do 2 guys, 8 hours a day on manual baggers. We got 1 truckload of material from that. With our automated system, we'll run in an hour, we'll get 1 truckload. And then we'll also be able to provide super sacks as well.
Within the industry, it's ever changing. Crushed glass is actually coming back to the kind of the forefront in our opinion. So we have customers that have used copper slags, coal slags, things like that in the past historically, that are now starting to get into other materials, and crushed glass is really getting asked for quite a bit these days. So we're happy to be a partner with it.
Crushed glass does great from a performance perspective, as well as it's keeping bottles of glass outside of the landfills. From a distributor perspective, it's probably the cleanest and healthiest media on the market today.